Good job with the sticks, buddy. It's a good looking fire. Hey, I brought our pizza out, but we gotta make sure no bears come and get it. I want you to look around and make sure there's no bears.
No bears.
You sure?
Are you sure? Look again.
Yep.
Look again. You didn't see that bear behind you?
Where?
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh, there they are.
What do you see? Go. Let's go see. Come on. Don't let Yogi. Don't let him get our pizza.
Oh, you have pizza? Uh-oh.
Yogi likes pizza. We better protect it.
Boo-boo, you better not get in trouble either, Boo. Yogi's wet. No, Yogi.
Ah!
No, Yogi. Be careful now. What are these bears doing, these silly bears?
Be careful.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Where's a tree?
Uh-oh.
Stevie.
Okay, would you like to get your picture with Yogi?
Come get your
He won't
picture.
take your pizza, I promise. He just pretends. Oh, you're gonna let me hold it? Okay.
Daddy.
Yeah, almost needs for you. Okay, buddy, get with the bears.
Get with the bears. Oh.
Yo, boo-boo.
Oh, beautiful. Very nice. That's it. Beautiful. Those bears are so happy.
Let me try that one more time.
Do you guys want to get in the picture too?
Stand over there again, Steve.
You gotta try without a flash.
Thumbs up, right? Yeah.
Beautiful.
Good
Yes.
job.